Welcome to the world famous Guaranty RV Super Centers. Gary Christians coming to you today with a nice camping trailer selection. You know how when you go camping you just get that vibration of having a great time? Well, now's your chance to open a vibe. Come on and take a look. This is a 2018. It just got washed, just came in yesterday. And come inside and look at the absolute gorgeous, spacious kitchen and living room. But let's start back here first into this monster bathroom. So, if you're staying a while, this would be a nice unit to consider because it has storage galore. You got more shelves over here, and then all this hanging. And don't forget the spacious room, the nice corner glass shower, a nice vanity and sink with some counter space, good medicine cabinet, storage down below. We're going to move up into the kitchen area. Of course, it's got opposing slide out, so that's why you get a center island with all this great counter space, prep space over here. But let's take a look at the pantry area. Nice and convenient, easy to get to. Got your microwave. It's got plenty of storage, if I can get my foot out of the way. Got three drawers, more storage underneath. Got a big tall one for waste basket in here. Big double door refrigerator. And over here we've got a booth dinette that makes into a bed. You've got another couch in here that's a hide-a-bed. So this is a full double bed that makes out. So you can sleep 5-6 adults in here. You've got a great entertainment center. And it appears to me they've upgraded this because there's the original part in the bedroom, USB ports, monitor panel. Go around the corner and let's take a look. You got up by the head area, you've got your outlets, USB, storage up above, and storage down in here. Full pass-through storage across the front. Closets on both sides. Cathedral ceiling. It has the hard sliding privacy doors up front. Let's take a gander around the outside. Outdoor speakers. Now you remember in the bathroom the storage stopped. Well, that's because it's got an outdoor kitchen. It's got a latch right here. Here we go. And then it latches up here on both sides to hold it in the out position. So you have hot and cold water with a drain going back down to your holding tanks. Electrical outlet and lights. 110 refrigerator. This also has powered stabilizer jacks to make it easy when you get set up in camp. You can push some buttons. And if you wanted to know where to put the barbecue, it's on the bumper already. Pull the pin and swing this all the way around so you have it over here on the side next to your outdoor kitchen. Here's part of your electric jack, stabilizer jack switches, 110 outlet, outdoor shower, black water flush, city, freshwater connections, cable and satellite. You can see you have dumps down here. It's got a lot of tank capacities because it's got two separate ones, so they put an additional gray one in. Here's your other stabilizer switch. Of course, they try to put all the controls and hookups on the driver's side, so that's where the switches are located at. So your battery and propane are secured underneath, so they're just not exposed. electric tongue jack. And then if you come over here, I'll show you the storage down below. Got a battery disconnect up there. Nice storage area, and they got the other side blocked off probably for some of their operations of the unit. You got to see it. It just came in. It just got a bath. Sure, if you have a question, you can reach me direct at 541-554-9581. I appreciate your time.